The Liene PixCut S1 is an all-in-one photo sticker printer and cutter targeted at home users. Here are some of its key features. 1. All-in-one printing and cutting. This one prints beautiful photos. It cuts them with great accuracy. This makes it useful for putting out stickers and labels. It is also useful for photo prints. 2. Advanced AI technology. This technology can automatically recognize and extract images. This process saves cut time and maximizes the cutting accuracy. 3. High precision cutting, equipped with a luxury fine point blade. It is particularly useful for cutting and outlining various intricate designs. It also handles simple figures with minimal to no cutting off. 4. Easy peel backing. Stickers feature a simple lining. This lining is extremely simple to remove. It leaves no residue if transferred again. 5. Automatic feeding. The constructed paper feeder acts as the paper carrier. It is designed for automatic feeding during the process of printing and cutting. 6. Vibrant print quality. It offers a thermal dye sublimation method. This ensures clear color and fine detail in image with references to 300 dpi. 7. Auto lamination. It instantly laminates stickers during the print process to make them waterproof, fade-proof, and scratch-proof. 8. User-friendly app. This feature makes the app very easy to use. It allows for smooth upload of photos. There are options for designing and many more features to unlock. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Liene PixCut S1. Pros. Portability. Compact and lightweight makes it portable and usable anywhere. Versatility. It can print and cut photos of different sizes to ensure full customization in creating a logo. High-quality prints. It possesses high photo quality and does bright photo stickers. Easy to use. The natural-looking and easy design of the interface makes it easy to use. Wireless connectivity. It can be connected with Bluetooth or USB to your smartphone or computer. Cons. Limited paper capacity. The paper drawer may have limited capacity, which must be replenished frequently. Ink cartridge costs. Replacing ink cartridges can be expensive. Print speed. Printing speed may not be as high as on a large typewriter. Limited customization options. There are some customization options. However, it may not be as comprehensive as professional image editing software products. Overall, the Liene PixCut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter is a compact and mobile device. It may be helpful when you need to stick photos and so on. However, the concern depends on your needs and budget in the time of buying products or services. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.